Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on PEPE. As in my earlier video, I've been showing you that PEPE has broken out a very big inverse head and shoulder pattern on a 7 days time frame chart, and after that it broke out another down channel and recently broke out another rising wedge pattern as well. And this was one of those videos, and this was my last video by the way that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this rising wedge pattern, the price line is getting accumulated above the previous resistance of this rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you my most recent trade signal for PEPE. And this trade signal has produced almost 1220% very massive rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, I'm going to begin with my most recent trade signal for PEPE that I shared on 1st of Feb 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that PEPE formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has pumped almost 1220%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of PEPE. And this is the daily time frame chart, and here you can see that for the past several days it has been moving inside this channel. And I've been telling you that once PEPE will be able to break out this channel, then our expected target will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $0.00001. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target. By the way, from this low to here, let me place this measurement tool. You can see that it rallied almost 275%, and recently it has also broken out this rising wedge pattern as well. By the way, we found the support of this rising wedge pattern here when it was moving inside this down channel. You can see that we had a bounce from this support here, and then we got rejection by the resistance of this rising wedge pattern here. Then after getting bounced between the resistance and support, the price then finally has broken out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, and now it is getting accumulated above the previous resistance of the rising wedge pattern and using this level as a support. At the same time, you can see we had a very nice support of exponential moving average 21 that was moving exactly at the support of this rising wedge pattern. And when the price then bounced from the support of this rising wedge pattern, at the same time it was also bounced from the support of this EMA 21 as well. Now if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in my so many previous videos, I've been showing you this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And I've been telling you that once it will be able to break out this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then we can expect a very massive rally. And you can see that so far, from this low to this high, it has rallied more than 2,358%. And now recently, we have broken out this wedge. And this was a quite long-term uptrend line resistance. Previously, it was working as a resistance here. Now, after the breakout, it is flipped into a nice support. You can see we had a nice bounce from this support of this uptrend line and this support of EMA 21 on the 7 days time frame chart as well. Now, if we take a look at the target for this next breakout from this rising wedge pattern, and that expected target can be here. That will be approximately at $0.001812. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.